Greetings to all. Now we are going to learn about plant disease and its control measures.
Plant disease. Plant disease is an impairment of normal state of a plant that interrupts or modifies its vital function. A plant disease can also be defined as any problem with the plant that leads to a reduction in yield or appearance. Many plant diseases are caused by pathogens. Disease-causing agents are called pathogens. Classification of pathogens. Pathogens are classified into three major types. They are animate pathogen, inanimate pathogens, viral pathogens. Classification of plant disease based on causal agents. Plant disease is classified into two types. They are non-infectious and infectious. Non-infectious plant disease. They are not associated with animate or viral pathogens, so it cannot able to transmit from infected plant to healthy one. These are due to disturbance in the plant body caused by lack of certain inherent qualities, by improper environmental condition of soil and air, and by mechanical influences. Some examples are low or high temperature, wind, etc. Infectious plant disease. These are the diseases caused by pathogenic organism or virus under a set of environmental conditions. Fungi, bacteria, viruses, nematodes, and even some plants can be pathogens. They obtain all nutrient, water, and food from the host organism. Fungal and viral pathogens cause many plant disease, but bacterial and nematode pathogens cause a few. Disease cycle. The sequence of event from a pathogen survival to plant disease development and back to pathogen circle is called disease circle or the pathogen life history. By understanding the disease cycle chain of events that contribute to a disease, we can find the weakest link and take measure to break the cycle. Symptoms of fungal diseases. Mildews. It is white, grey, brownish patches with size varies in leaf, stem or fruit. Ruts. It is relatively small pustules of spores that usually breaks through host epidermis. Smuts. The affected parts of the plant show a purplish black or black dusty mass. White blisters. It is like pustules which break open and expose powdery mass of spores. Scab. Scab refers to a roughened or crest-like lesion on diseased organ. Sclerotia. Sclerotum is a compact, often hard mass of dormant fungal mycelium. It is black in color, sometimes purple in color. Fruiting body. They are large, fleshy or woody, spore-bearing structure developed by wood-rooting fungi. Tar spots. These are black-coated fungal body with an appearance of flattened drop of tar on leaf. Symptoms of bacterial diseases. Exudation. In several bacterial diseases such as bacterial blight of paddy and fire blight of pome fruits, masses of bacteria ooze out from the affected organ and appear on the surface as drops or smears. Control measure of plant disease. First one, exclusion. This method includes quarantine, inspections and certification. These techniques prevent movement of diseased plant material into a particular country, state or geographical area where the disease doesn't exist. Example, agricultural inspection station in California. Eradication. Eradication means removal of infected plants. There are many ways in eradication. They are crop rotation, removal of infected plants, elimination of alternate hosts, destruction of wild host and weeds. Protection. Protection means treating a healthy plant before it becomes diseased. Both chemical and biological means are available. Example, use a bacterium as a protection from crown gall disease. Chemical protection is common technique which involves fungicides. Immunization. It means providing immunity to the plant so it can't affect by the disease. It will become disease-free plant and it can't transmit it into other healthy one. Avoidance. It is avoiding the diseased plant growth in your area by avoiding the diseased seed, field and diseased spreading season, etc. Use good horticulture practices such as proper fertility, pruning, watering to ward off infections.
want to know more about these topics, please follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.